about making choices, taking decisions. This is the point of your life where you will learn to make your own decisions so that you can pave your pathways to success. Whether you do or don't do your homework is your own decision. I know some of you are looking up here. Who to be friends with is also your own decision. Which classmate to pick for student council representatives, treasurer, VP, president. It's all your own decision. So make the right choices here, because taking the right decisions will determine where you go in life from now onwards. As a past member of the student council myself, I took part in the student council as a student here in Bayan. Many of you know that I graduated from Bayan School as well. I have just one advice for you. That if you're going to take the decision today of who to pick, who to select as a representative of your class, make sure that the person that you're selecting is a person that you can trust, a person who will give the best they can to make your voices heard, and someone who will make sound and correct choices that obviously will benefit you on the long run this year. So thank you for listening. Enjoy the rest of the assembly, and I will leave the podium to Dana Ben Hamad, who's your middle school student council president for this year.
Good morning, teachers and fellow students. My name is Mara Faraj and I am running for the secretary position in the student council. If I get elected, I assure you I work hard on your behalf. I listen to your ideas and try hard to make them possible. In addition to that, I will try to make the school a fun but educational place, and I'll try to make the school environment place at some point so that all students are happy with what's surrounding them. There might be students in the school that are not heard, and I'll make sure that our president is aware of what the students want. I'm sure she'll do all she can to execute what you want within time. With your votes, the things I've stated can be possible, so I'm asking you to vote for me. Thank you and have a good day.
Good morning, teachers and fellow students. My name is Mara Habiballah and I'm running for the middle school secretary in the middle school student council. I will try my best to bring in some stupendous ideas and activities during this year so that everyone will have a great time. As secretary, I will go around asking all students what their opinions are and their thoughts regarding what activities should be done this year. I think that everyone should have a say in the activities we do each year. Students should have a voice. I'm sure most of you are tired of the same activities each year. Don't you want something new for a change? Don't you think we should have more fun this year and try something new? As secretary, I will do my best to hear everyone out and get some astonishing suggestions for everyone in middle school. Your votes mean a lot to me, and your votes will be the start to an amazing year. Thank you.
Now we should move on to the treasurer position.
Hello, fellow students and staff. As you may all
don't know me, my name is Mahal Darsi and I'm running for Student Council's treasurer. Do you want a responsible person dealing with Student Council's funds? Well, I'm a reliable, trustworthy, determined, and responsible person. I hate to brag, but I'm really good at math. I'm qualified for this because I know how to effectively handle and budget money. The Student Council's treasurer has to be good at math to keep track of all those numbers. Vote for me and I'll make sure our numbers add up. Using my ideas, we can have a successful school year. Once again, don't forget to vote for me.
Hello, my name is Ellen Melody and I'm running for Student Council Treasurer. Why treasurer, you may ask? Well, I'm trustworthy, organized, and responsible, and I'll try my best to keep everything on track and updated. My task as a treasurer includes keeping track of Student Council finances, planning great activities for the school, which I will take to the best of my abilities. I was on Student Council last year and it was a positive and great learning experience, which will help me a lot this year and help me deal with any challenges. I have great school spirit and I will try my best to make this year fun for everybody. Please vote for me, Ellen Melody, to become Student Council's treasurer. Thank you.
And now moving on to the grade 7 vice president's position. Hi, my name is Zaira Ansari and I'm in grade 7B. As you all know, I'm running for the vice president position in the student council. I will keep this short and simple because I don't want to make this a speech you stop listening to halfway through. I think you should vote for me because I am experienced, I've joined student council before, and I know how to lead a crowd and speak for all people. I promise you if I get elected, I'll make all your concerns my #1 priorities. If I didn't want to join, I wouldn't have took the time of day and wrote the speech. I also promise that I'll be your helping hand and I'll be there to help you when you need me. I would love to put my time and efforts to help each and every one of you. I'm sure if you vote for me, you will not regret it, because I promise I'll be open to hear any of your ideas anytime. I'll be more than welcome to have a compromisation any day between me, the president, and you, because I want what's best for everyone. I hope you vote for me because I'm someone who will listen to your thoughts and make a difference and help you each step of the way. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Aziz Ramadan and I'm running for Vice President of the Student Council. You all my friends and this is probably not the first time we have spoken, so you already know my goal, and that is to simply make you happy. I know exactly what you go through each day and I know exactly what changes we all want to see. Because just like you, I am a student who wants to learn but have fun along the way. Therefore, I will make one promise that I am confident I can keep, and that is to attempt to make everyone come to school every day a little bit happier and more excited for the activities we will plan. And don't be afraid to ask, because it could be any crazy activity you may have in mind. I will do everything I can to achieve this goal because I am here to represent all of you and speak up for what we want. So please vote for me. I'm Aziz Ramadan, as Student Council Vice President, and I promise I will not let you down. Thank you for your time.
We're not quite done with the speeches yet. Lastly, we have the grade 6 representatives giving speeches. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and students. My name is Zainab Rahman and I am in 6th grade. I would like to be a part of the student council because I want to help make this a great school year for everyone. Not only am I a caring and responsible person, but would also love to be the voice of 6th grade. I'll make sure that I'm accessible. Also, I will listen to people's opinions and concerns. Vote for me, and I'll make sure I'm doing my best in bringing everyone's ideas into student council. I promise to always work my best. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and students. My name is Muhammad Atam and I'm running for this position because I'm sure I will make a difference upon the students' body. I'm going to be honored by representing 6th grade and an honest, caring student, and I'm going to try my hardest to listen to each and every one of you and discuss your creative ideas among the student body members. So remember, when the time comes to vote for me, thank you.
happy to tell you why you should vote for me to be a representative in the Middle School Students' Council. For those of you who do not know me, my name is John Gaton, and I am in grade 6C. And I am here to tell you why you should vote for me. I'm willing to devote my time to our Students' Council. I will attend all meetings and I will complete all assigned tasks. First of all, I would like to share my traits to you. I'm responsible, positive thinker, a good communicator, always energetic, and a creator and a good listener. If you vote for me, I'll make sure all your voices will be heard. We're in middle school and we have a long way to graduation. We spend most of our time in school, and you will need a candidate like me to voice out cool ideas or even crazy thoughts. This is what I plan to make happen. Although I can't promise you that all your ideas will be chosen, but I can promise you one thing, that you have an awesome and memorable year. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and students. My name is Arwa and I am a grade 6 student. I would like to run as a representative. I promise to work my hardest and make everything you wish for happen. I am a caring, trustworthy student. You are always free to tell me your brilliant ideas. I think you should make the right choice and vote for me in being your representative. Together we can make the school more awesome and fun. All of your wishes for the school to be a super fun school come true. With me, all your wishes will come true hopefully. Especially I know what middle schoolers want. I can make great events for all of you. You should make this the right choice and vote for me to make our school the best school ever. Hope you all make the best choice for this year and vote for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mohammed. Hi, my name is Mohammed Abdullah. I'm running for a representative in the Student Council. I will take your brilliant ideas and show them to the Student Council. I do my best. I also help make good events, and by doing the events, you are going to benefit something from it. Then I will help the school stay in its improvement, and I will join in so we can create better things and make the school a better place. It will be an honor for me to represent grade 6, and it's actually a good opportunity for me to state what the 6th grade wants. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Aya El-Daisi and I'm a grade 6 student. I would like to be a part of the student council to make this a great school year for everyone. I promise to work my best. I'm always going to be there if anyone wants to discuss a thought or idea they have, which then I'll bring to the student council. Don't forget to vote for me. Thank you.
Good job to everyone who gave a speech. It was a good speech. And we would like to wish people a happy birthday for this one. For grade 6, we have Hamid Al-Khatam, Hamid Mahmoud, Sheikh Ahmed, Hamid Humaydi, Leon Rafi, Rashid Al-Kawali, Isa Al-Khaifa, Abdullah Muhammad, Shulwan Murad, Ahmed Al-Khaifa, Aya Al-Daisi, Dulwa Humaydi, and Ali Murad.
And now the grade 7 birthday. Ahmed Khunji,
play card. Lulu on the play card. Yusuf to go straight. Abdullah on the play card. The others are late. Abdullah on the play card. Welcome Abdullah. And he's at the farm.
Don't forget to return your trash to where it belongs.